Wine and food pairing sounds fancy, right? But really, it's one of those topics people always Google. Which wine goes with which dish, what works, what doesn't. The problem? Writing a beginner's guide on this can take hours, but you have to research flavors, structure the article, add images, and then make sure it's SEO ready. That's exactly where Autoblogging.ai saves the day. This blog right here, a beginner's guide to a perfect wine and food pairing, was generated in under 3 minutes. It's structured with proper headlines, images, infographics, and even FAQs and a relevant video added at the bottom of your blog. Let me show you how I did this using Autoblogging.ai step by step. Login. On your left panel, there are different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. I'm going with wizard because it works like a roadmap. Each setting comes one after another, and by the end, your blog is completely built. Article title, I'm gonna type here a beginner's guide to perfect wine and food pairing. Next. Article language, I'm keeping this one in English, but Autoblogging supports 30 different languages, so whether your audience reads in Spanish, French, German or Hindi, you can generate the same blog for them instantly. Length of an article, for this one I'm going with medium because beginners need clear explanation, but the blog shouldn't feel too heavy. But here's what the other length works. Short is like a quick and a light article, and long is full in-depth guide, which is great for SEO. Next. Type of article, I'm going to choose informative since this needs a step-by-step guide feel. But here's what others do. Listicle turns into a numbered tips or hacks. Places is perfect for location or location-based blogs. And service bar landing page creates a structure for service or offers. Next. What tone of the voice should your article have? Here I'm going to set second person so the blog speaks directly to the reader, but here's what other options do. First is writing your own personal experience, and third is more neutral like a magazine or a guide. Next, writing style. I'm going to pick professional here since food and wine pairing should sound reliable and classy, but here's what others do. Auto lets AI choose based on the topic. Less AI words make it super simple. Premium style 1 is SEO focused formatting. Snippet optimizer is shaped for Google Snippet. Conversational is more friendly approach, and witty adds a humor and a playfulness in the blog. Next. Here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes for that extra benefit to my blog. Intense optimize article. It organizes the article with stronger SEO headings. FAQs will bring in real questions people are asking on Google about wine pairing and answer them right inside your blog. AI images generate relevant images and place them with proper alt text. And infographics add summary visuals like simple pairing charts. Next, SERP analysis. This is a big one. Normally you would Google the top ranking blogs, check how they are structured and then copy that format, right? But Autoblogging does it for you automatically. It scans the top ranking blogs for you, see what works, and then builds your article following that proven structure, but with original writing. You just have to enable this, and in the source context box, write about what you want in the article. And also you can select the country where you want to rank on top. Here also I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Outline from competition uses the section flow of high ranking blogs. External link add references to trusted food and wine sites. YouTube video will add a relevant input directly into the blog. And key takeaways creates a summary box at the end for readers who skim. Next, AI proofreading. This automatically checks grammar, tone and readability, so you don't have to sit and edit manually. You just have to enable this and quickly leave a guideline here. Next, internal linking. If you already have posts like cooking with wine or top wine regions, Autoblogging will link them automatically inside this new blog. You just have to enable this and paste your domain here. This keeps the reader inside this new blog that keeps readers exploring your site and helps with SEO. Next, human proofreading. Now, if you want a real editor to check the fact checks and tone, you can just enable this and quickly leave a guideline here for them. But for this, you'll require a human proofreading credits, which you can purchase anytime from the dashboard. Now just hit on generate article, click on the history tab, scroll down, and within minutes you'll get a view like icon here. Click on that. and your blog is ready to publish. It's structured with proper headlines, images, infographics, relevant YouTube video, and FAQs. But if you want to be quicker next time, here's what you can do. Just go to quick and single and just enter your blog title here. With fewer clicks, you can generate the entire blog. And you can also use a bulk generate option where you can upload 10, 50 or even 100 titles at once, and Autoblogging will create them all and even auto post directly to WordPress. Wine and food pairing might sound complicated, but blogging about it doesn't have to be. With Autoblogging.ai, you can generate a full SEO ready pairing guide in under 3 minutes. And if you would rather not go through this step yourself, you can try a done for you blog service where we'll create and deliver the blog for you. If you enjoyed this, hit a like, subscribe, and comment your favorite wine and food combo.